Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you guys would have inferred from the title itself, we are back with yet another home decor video, and this one again is going to be super easy, super simple to do like always. You'll have all the things very easily available at your homes or at shops near you, but just in case you guys don't find these things at your disposal, I will have everything that I've used in this video linked in the description box down below. So in case you guys don't find these things available at stores near you, you can definitely go ahead and purchase them online via Amazon or Flipkart or anywhere else. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. But before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you've also hit the like button, you've commented down below, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to connect with me on social media, and let's get into it. The first thing we need are 6 of these plastic bowls. You can use any other material for the bowls as long as they're sturdy enough. I got mine from a local store. You can even use old bowls lying around in your home as well. Just make sure they're all the same size. Since mine were new and had these brand stickers, I'm going to get rid of them so I have a smooth surface to work with. So I'm taking 2 of these bowls here first, and we'll stick the bottoms together. Use any strong adhesive that you feel will hold them together properly. I'm using a rubber-based adhesive for mine. Repeat the process for the next 4 bowls and you will have 3 of these hourglass shaped structures. Now watch carefully as to how we shall be sticking together the structures we made after they have dried up. So apply the glue on the edge of the bowl this time and stick the other structure on top of it as shown in the video. Repeat the same process for the last hourglass structure, and this is what we'll end up with. Now to complete the structure of this side table, all we need is a plate to seal the deal and have a nice and wide top to place our things on. To paint the table, I've chosen this gold spray paint that I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box, and just find an open space and get painting and wait for the final reveal till the end of the video. And moving on to the next project that will complement our side table so very well, we'll need a few of these ice cream sticks. Lay them around in a square and stick the sides together using glue. So at this point we have 5 of these squares ready, and to stick them together we'll assemble 4 squares at an equal distance and stick the 5th square in the middle to form something like this. So I've finished making 2 of these shapes, and to stick it all together and form one single structure, we'll finally take one last square and join the 2 shapes this way. I've made 2 of these structures identical to each other, of course, since I felt it'll enhance the decor all the more, and now using the same gold spray paint as before, we'll get painting this one as well. Take your sweet time to do it and wait for the magical result. And here's the final reveal of the gorgeous table. Can you all believe it's handmade? Like, it's too perfect. I also have the ice cream stick thingy stuck to the background here because it went well with the whole gold decor, but we'll have a separate reveal for that later. Coming back, I'm super happy with the finish because liquid paint usually leaves strokes, but the finish that the spray paint has given is unparalleled. So I decided to use this one here because it went way better with a dark and plain background, and I think it enhances the gold color so much more. The best part about this decor is that it's so minimal yet adds so much character to a plain wall effortlessly. Here's a close-up of the finish of the ice cream sticks, just in case you guys were wondering. Looks super classy and is so damn easy to do. What more do we want? And that was it for this week's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you decide to recreate any of these things at your home for yourself, make sure that you tag me on social media or send me your beautiful pictures in the DMs. I'll be waiting for you guys to recreate these beautiful pieces. And before you leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.